Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the most mind-blowing, space-saving, and secret furniture you've ever seen. If you love clever design, you're in for a treat. So let's get started. Let's kick things off with this brilliant bench with a swivel backrest. As you can see, the backrest can rotate in seconds, transforming the bench into a compact study desk. Next up, from the same inventive designer, is a sleek pull-out sofa bed inspired by traditional Japanese design. And for your footwear, this clever shoe rack doubles as a bench and offers hidden storage without taking up extra room. Stylish, simple, and super practical. Speaking of hidden furniture and smart storage, take a look at these innovative designs by Castel Móveis. They specialize in automated furniture that tucks neatly into the wall when not in use, giving your space a clean, modern feel. For example, this pull-out dining table unfolds at the touch of a button, positioning itself perfectly in front of you. Its sleek, refined design makes it suitable even for formal dinners. And on either side, matching benches slide out automatically, creating a complete dining setup in seconds. This type of automated furniture is especially helpful for people who find traditional setups physically demanding, or simply want a futuristic home. And it's not just the dining table that hides away. Even your TV can vanish into the wall. With a simple remote control, your television appears like magic. Beside it, a sleek wall unit includes hidden compartments for storing electronics, accessories, or anything you want out of sight. But what amazed us most, even the air conditioner can be concealed. This clever integration keeps your space cool and comfortable, without the visual distraction of bulky AC units. And once you're done watching TV, you can switch to game mode with this fantastic adjustable height table, complete with a hidden drawer for storing cards or board games. And for fans of secret doors and home theaters, Castel Móveis has something special, a design that combines stealthy entrances with a fully equipped private cinema. Inside, you'll find everything you need for the ultimate movie night with family or friends. Continuing with hidden doors, let's take a look at the stunning Modulnova Ghost doors. This smart system is designed to completely conceal your kitchen when it's not in use, giving your space a sleek, minimalist look. The real magic of ghost doors lies in how they blend seamlessly with surrounding walls and cabinetry. Using handle-free, push-to-open mechanisms or subtle vertical grooves, they create a smooth, uninterrupted surface that hides the entire kitchen with style. This design represents more than just aesthetics. It reflects a new philosophy of living. Thanks to the sliding quotidian counter, it adapts easily to your needs. Outside the kitchen, designer Alfredojpg Padilla also introduces a dramatic set of 6-meter-high doors. But honestly, while they look impressive, they're not exactly practical for storage. I mean, who's really going to climb up there? Next up is the Veroletto Bed Unit, a fold-away bed cleverly hidden inside a wheeled cabinet. It features a single slatted base and comes with a 180 by 80 centimeter mattress that's 10 centimeters thick. Next is something truly out of this world. Honestly, I have no idea what this even is. Now, this might be the smartest use of a drawer yet. No more tangled cords or clutter, just a clean, organized setup that keeps everything charged and out of sight. Next up is the swing-out countertop. This clever design pivots out from underneath your existing countertop, instantly providing extra surface area whenever you need it. Now let's take a look at the hidden drop-down kitchen cabinet. With just a simple touch, the cabinet glides down smoothly, making it easier than ever to access your items without climbing or stretching. Next up is the Clei Giro, a clever space-saving table desk combo. It features a rotating mechanism and a bifold opening system that transforms it from a sleek console table into a fully functional work or dining table. The table is mounted over a storage compartment with drawers. And the best part? It's customizable. Who says you need to take the stairs when you can have your very own home escalator? Designed for the elderly, patients, and people with limited mobility, this sleek lift makes moving between floors feel effortless. It's like having a theme park ride at home, minus the long lines. Step aside, traditional staircase. It's time for an upgrade in style and accessibility. Next is a trendy and innovative piece, the 2-in-1 vacuum-sealed sponge couch, also known as the compression boneless sofa. Here's another mind-blowing sofa. The DS600 modular masterpiece by Dised. This incredible design is made up of interlocking segments, allowing you to create virtually endless configurations to fit your space perfectly. Spear's furnishing also brings us a blast from the past, the iconic Marshmallow chair from the 1970s. Next up, the Bouloum chair. Anthropomorphic, iconic, and unapologetically whimsical. Moving on, check out the piano wall-mounted organizer. This multifunctional panel is designed for racks and hangers, featuring foldable hooks. Whether it's your bathroom, bedroom, hallway, or closet, it's perfect for organizing everything from coats and hats to shoes and accessories. Here's another clever interior design that makes the most out of every inch of space. It features a hidden Murphy bed tucked neatly beneath a bunk bed. When the Murphy bed is folded away, the space underneath the bunk bed transforms into a play area, giving kids plenty of room to move around and enjoy. Moving on, check out this dreamy rotating mesh glass kitchen from Plush Living, appropriately named The Works. And for good reason, with just a simple swivel, it transforms your kitchen into a fully functional workstation. Ever wanted a hidden dining table right inside your kitchen? You'll love this pull-out rotary table. It's compact, stylish, and incredibly convenient. Is your ceiling too low for a traditional staircase? Check this out. It's a smart alternative that works whether you're 3 feet tall or a full-sized adult. Next up, a secret floating shelf for your entryway. And finally, from Rohina Innovative Home Solutions. Check out this rotating shoe rack. With the push of a button, you get easy access to 12 shelves at varying heights. Next, check out this stunning mirror coffee table. These mirrored panels aren't just decorative. They slide out to expand the table when you need extra space. And here's the cool part. When the sections slide, they reveal hidden storage underneath. What would you keep inside? Let us know in the comments. Next, meet the Cube, a 7-in-1 transforming ottoman that's made for sharing. It hides 5 individual seats within its walls, which detach and stack neatly on nested metal bases. When not in use, it looks like a stylish ottoman that fits perfectly in any living room. Next, we have the Emalu set, a modular system that redefines versatility. With a wide range of components, it offers endless design possibilities to suit virtually any living space. Whether you need a single armchair, a sofa that converts into a bed, or a spacious corner suite, Emalu adapts to your life and layout. To finish off, here's a range of innovative bunk bed designs, perfect for maximizing space in small rooms.